Hello, I'm Tom Booker, Senior Instructor. Thank you for joining me. This tutorial is over Kenjutsu One Step, number 5. Now, we'll have a look at this from the front, we'll have a look from the side, then we'll work it with a partner. Now, looking at it from the front here, I'm starting off in Chudan no Kamae, middle guard position. As my partner moves in for the attack, I'm going to move to my left foot and right foot here. So my left foot is now out in front. I'm pulling the sword in toward me a little bit, and I'm rotating the sword 90 degrees, so the edge is now out away from me. My point is straight out in front. So I'm in a strong braced position here. And then I'm simply going to lean in a little bit with thrust. This is not a big extension of my arms. Very slightly leaning in. So again, we're moving left foot, right foot, rotate the sword over, lean in, and thrust. 1, 2, 3. Just like that. Now, I'm starting off, I'm on the line of attack here. As I move my body this way, I'm getting my body just off the line of attack, but my sword is staying right on that line. It's right where it started. All right, a little more quickly now. Here, very small movements. It's not a big leap off to the side and thrust out here. Keep it very small and very precise. There. Now, looking at it from the side, one, two, 3. Again, 1, 2, 3. The biggest thing that's going on here is that switch in position of my feet. And I'm going from right foot forward to left foot forward. And I've moved just off my line of attack. Once more. Here. All right, now, let's have a look at this with a partner. All right, we're going to start in Chudan no Kamae here with the tips of our swords just crossed. Attack. I'm stepping off to my left, and notice I've got the tip of my sword right at my partner's midsection in very close, and continue. And I'm just going to press gently in with the point of my sword. I'm going to be very careful that I don't jab my partner with this. Attack and continue. So I'm getting just out of the way of the downward sweep of his cut. And effectively what's going on here is he's throwing himself onto the point of my sword. Attack. Continue. All right, let's have a look at this from the other side. Attack. Continue. And again, attack. Continue. Once more, attack. Continue. Thank you, Mr. Tisco. All right, that is Kenjutsu One Step, number 5. Thank you very much for joining me.